Okay, we're at the parking lot now. Look what happened to my car. Jerry's cleaning it. And look of the snow. Look, this is our parking lot here. Oh, jeez. Whew. There you go. Huh? I'm taking a video. Oh, jeez.
Full snow.
I know, eh? Thank you, hon. What the heck? I should have taken my... Hey. use the shovel, hon. You shovel it later because you're still cleaning it up. Jeez. Can you see this? Look how deep the snow is. Wow, up to the knee. You see that? If you can shovel that.
There's nothing there. There's not snow. It's going.
Oh, look at that. Oh, my hand is cold. No. I'll take my gloves. I'm taking a video. That's fine. I'll just take.
I'm gonna move her.
I take my gloves. Oh, Jesus, Lord. Help us. Oh, my. Where's my gloves? Where's the pair for this?